Ronnie Dale, fourwheelingwesternaustralia.com, and welcome to another Wednesday video. So top of the morning to you. It's currently 14 degrees in Perth. So what am I so happy about this morning? Well, today is new tyre day. New boots for the cruiser. More on that very soon. That's where I'm heading right now. I have the trailer with me right behind me, so I can put all my old tyres in it and rims. Correct, I have new rims and new tyres. So I purchased new rims and I managed to acquire some brand new tyres, and stay tuned to see what they are. But not only that, today we also have some new seats going in and a couple of shout outs from something I recorded at the end of the previous trip. So more on this a bit later. Stay tuned. So here I am back at Integrity Tyres, and only two people guessed the tyre brand right and which exact tyre it was on the previous post where I mentioned I was getting new tyres. So they are in fact the Maxxis Razor 315/75 R16s, only released in the US but soon to be released in Australia. So I think in the coming month it'll be released. And I am the second vehicle in Western Australia, at least, to have these put on. So there is another fella testing these. I believe he is a tyre shop owner somewhere else in the southern region. So, pretty exciting to get a tyre that is not yet released. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Oh, I better mention the rims. So the rims are dynamic 16x8 on a -25 offset. Why have I gone for an offset? Well, to try something different. Otherwise, I could have kept the rims that I already have. So we're going to try a wider stance. Now, these just fit within the guards. We are millimeter perfect. Just the fuzzy bits are kind of borderline sticking out. As for the tyres, they are 315/75 R16s, equates to a 35-inch tyre. Mud terrain, Maxxis Razor, details in the description below. Not yet released, but released very soon. That magic feeling of new shoes, new boots, new tyres. Now I've got a trailer load of old tyres and old rims. So if the wife complains about all these tyres in the garage, I'm just going to point out all the shoes that she has in her wardrobe. Then we should be even. Next stop is to get something that is going to make my 5,000 kilometre drive to New South Wales a lot more comfortable. Well, so here we are, getting some seats fitted. Oh, I'm out at CVG. Cab seating, Stratos seats are in, ready for my 5,000 kilometre drive. Already I have more space on the back one. The kids can have more space on the back because they're skinnier, and as you can see here, this is the cool part. Look how much narrower they are in here. So yeah, the seatbelt's a bit flopping around a bit, but I can now mount this somewhere on the side here, because the original seats come right up and sort of clamp everything in. I opted for the armrests because I do get sore shoulders after a long drive. So really looking forward to testing these on that 5,000 kilometre drive. What else? They have these pump up things, so you can adjust the back and then you can release as well. So today has been a good day. I'm currently sitting in the sports version, and that is the regular version to my left. I opted for the armrests, which were great for the freeway. and this thing here, which was already in the vehicle. I'll more on that actually. There's a bit of a shout out at the end of this video. But I can already tell that once we're back in suburbia, we're going to need to move this armrest out of the way, which is really cool. So it's removable, it's adjustable as well. Oh, just got to take this corner here. So these seats couldn't have come at a better time. I've got a 5,000 kilometre drive soon to New South Wales. I was getting the vehicle trucked, but the trucking company failed to mention they couldn't truck all three at once. So one's got to leave beforehand. I can't do that. I need the vehicle. I've got a lot on, and I've got a tag along tour which I'm conducting. And the day after that, I was supposed to truck it. That's not going to happen. So not too happy, but hey, I'll deal with it. These new seats are going to make it so much better. And yeah, so today has been a good day. Can it get any better? Well, yes it can.
It's alright, going on.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Thank you. The day just got even better. Whoa, quarter pounder. Alright. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, so here's the shout outs I recorded at the end of the Abdul highway trip. The big trip to South Australia and back to WA. So shout outs coming. This particular video is just to thank two individuals that have sent me some stuff. Now, one of which is this from Abdul Aziz. I hope I said it right. So thank you very much, Abdul Aziz. This is basically an arm saver, it's called. Bloody awesome. I've used this for the whole trip, the Abdul highway trip, and I'll be using it all the way home. I'm still in South Australia, all the way to Western Australia. Really good, I love it. Now let's go ask Torben what he thinks too. So this is something I've been looking for quite a while, since I saw it in one of Andrew White's videos. And where's Torben? Ah, there he is.
How you going?
So Torben was lucky enough to get the second one, because I had two of them, and my thing was, okay, first person that asked me about it gets the next one.
I'm in love with it.
It's good, isn't it?
It is awesome.
You did mention you're probably going to put more padding inside it.
Yeah, I'm going to get one of those gel pads.
Yeah, he's a bit softer, so.
I've already worn the dents in it.
Yeah, you have to. So this one is traditional Saudi Arabian colours, I've been told. Bloody awesome. Now,
the bomb.
There's one other person I want to give a shout out to. So the next fella is Max Marks from Headsocks. Now, yes, this is a direct plug, but the reason why I'm plugging it is because he sent us all these, and 10% of the royalty from the sales of these actually goes to the Indigenous community, because these are all Indigenous designs. The same one that I've been wearing the whole time. This is actually the new one, because the old one got a bit trashed at Wayne's birthday party out in the outback. You got one there too.
Yeah.
So he looks like a Vietnam veteran with that one on. But yeah, these are cool. Very comfortable on your head, and yeah, I may look a bit funny wearing this, but it's comfortable.
Oh, they're great when it's hot. Just wet them.
Yeah, and when it's windy with sand, you just put them over your face, stuff like that. Anyway, so for a bit of extra content for you guys, we are at the old Air Highway Roadhouse. So as you can see over here, we've got all these car wrecks. All the car wrecks from back in the day. Now the old Air Highway is actually half a kilometre down that road, running east to west, west to east. There's some awesome stuff to look at here. So back in the day, with all the vehicle breakdowns and stuff from the rough track, which was the old air highway, if the cars were completely stuffed, they'd just stay here. And that's what's happened to these cars here. There's probably about 60 vehicles here, all from different years, and all the old, like Holdens, Valiants, old Fords, station wagons. I believe that one over there is an old Falcon. Yeah, it is. Old school car wrecks, derelict stuff. There's one of the old Minis. Trailer. I so wish we had another day here, because a time lapse right here would look mint, especially if it was a campfire. The only problem is it's fire ban, so no campfires until mid-April. Right now it's March. And that there is the old air highway roadhouse. Entirely built out of railway sleepers too. Same as that building right over there.